In this video, I want to show you how to properly manage your risk in your trading and achieve risk-free trading. Yes, you can actually have a trade that is risk-free. That means you cannot lose money again whatsoever. Alright, so if you're new to my channel, kindly hit that subscribe button. Without further ado, let's get into the business. So here was a buy order which I placed, and my stop loss was at this point and my take profit was at this level. So before I show you exactly how to manage the trade, let me explain how and why I entered into the trade, because it is very important to understand the basis on which I entered a trade, which I want to show you how to manage right now. So in one of my videos, I made us understand that Euro CHF had been in an upward trend supported by this trend line. So you see the trend line coming from this point, holding the price at this point, and down coming to this area. We had a break of that trend line, okay, and we had a reclaim of the trend line. That means that this break was a false breakout. That means it was just a fake out. Then I told us in the video that we were going to get a move to this level and possibly to this top level. However, I was telling us that price was also moving in this very little channel, that we needed price to also break out of that channel. So when the price broke out of that channel at this point, I placed my order, okay, my buy order, which you can see here. The buy was one standard lot, and I put my stop loss just below this fake out, okay, and I was targeting this point. Okay, so this was the arrow I drew when I was doing that video. So since then, the market has been going just as expected, but right now we're coming to an area of interest. Okay, so with that, we just want to start managing our order to ensure that if peradventure the market decides to drop back, we don't lose all the gains we've made. So the question you should ask yourself is, where best can you adjust your stop loss to? So if I allow my stop loss at this point, that means I am risking losing everything I've made. That will not be wise. That means I must find a way to protect all the profits I've made. So right now, where should be the best place to adjust my stop loss to, seeing that I don't want to risk losing everything back to where I started? So that is the essence of this video, and that is exactly what I want to show you. So right now, the best place to adjust the stop loss to is just beneath the area you had the most recent consolidation. So the first area of consolidation we had is just above the entry point. If I say that I want to hide my stop loss below this area of consolidation, that means I'll be putting my stop loss maybe to break even or a little just above the entry point. So in that case, if the market decides to drop back for any reason, that means I'll be losing all the profit I've made. However, I will not lose any of my equity. So that is one choice. Would that be a very good decision? For me, I think that will not be the best decision. And you can see the next area of consolidation after this point is exactly this one, where the price is trading above right now. When I put my stop loss just below the area of consolidation, that means I'll be locking in some very good profit of about 180. So right away, I want to adjust the trade so that my stop loss will now be adjusted to this area and my take profit will now still remain where it is. So let's do just that. So now I'm moving my stop loss to this point just below this area of consolidation. So that is where I'll be placing my stop loss right now, while I still leave my take profits where it is. So from below here where my stop loss is currently, I'm moving it now to this point. So modify. So I click on modify. Done. So you see that is done. My stop loss has been moved from this point where it was to this area. So if for any reason price starts moving back, maybe starts dropping down below this very key area, I'm risk free. I'm trading risk free. So not only am I trading risk free, I have locked in some good profits above 100 and something pips already. So I can never lose money in this trade. Neither will I go without a profit. So it's certain this trade is secured. The profits are also locked in this trade. So that is exactly how you can trade risk-free and still profitable. I hope you got value from this video, and I wish you a very successful trading. Thank you. God bless you.